All right, so you're ready to sign up for FeetFix and start selling your content. There are two ways you can sign up. First is as a creator. Second is as a fan. Because you're selling your content, you're gonna sign up as a creator. You're gonna select your date of birth, and you're gonna choose a display name. This is the name you want to appear on your profile. This name can be changed if you decide to do something else later, but this is a name you should choose that's based on all of your social medias as well. Make sure people can find you across platforms. It's very important to have consistency in your branding. Then you're gonna choose a username, your @ Very similar to how you would choose an @ for any other social media platform. But here, once you choose this username, you can't change it after you sign up. So make sure you choose wisely and make sure that, again, the branding is consistent across all your platforms so people can find you. Then all you have to do is choose your email, pick a password, and click Get Started. Just that easy. And then you'll get an email to the address you provided, and all you have to do is verify it. Oh, there it is. Super easy. Next, you're gonna fill in some personal information. You need to select an ID type, a government-issued ID card, driver's license, passport, those are the approved. So all you have to do is take a picture of your ID. If you're on mobile, this is a lot easier when you're signing up. So I just have to take a nice clear photo. Excellent. And the back too. And then I can just airdrop these, or I can email them to myself so I can upload them onto the website. If you're signing up with mobile, like I said, way easier to just upload those photos. Next, you need to take a selfie with your ID. Perfect. Finally, on a blank piece of paper, like this, you need to handwrite your display name, the date, and FeetFix.com. And then take a selfie with it. Oh, so many selfies. You know how much creators love taking selfies. Make sure you can see your whole face and the paper when you do this. Perfect. Upload those and you're almost there. Next, your social links. You're going to provide social media links for Instagram, X, TikTok, whatever you want. It is important to provide social links because this is how we verify your identity. Make sure that you are the person in the IDs who's on the social media, and all of these things are consistent. This is the age verification process we have to go through to make sure that everybody's over 18, consenting adults. X.com/Lexi Luna XOXO. Instagram.com/Beyond Lexpectations. And click Next. Finally, you'll sign a model agreement. This is all electronic. All you have to do is read and submit your signature. And then you're almost to the end. The final step is the most important. How am I going to get paid? Filling out your tax information and making sure all of it is accurate. Once you submit your application, it's about a 24-hour approval process. So be on the lookout for that email telling you you're approved. And then you can upload information to your profile, change your photos, and start uploading content. It's just that easy. Of course, if you encounter any problems or have any questions, we're here to help and happy to do so. You can hit us up at our X account, @FeetFixOfficial, or you can scan the QR code that's flashing on your screen. We're here for you. Content on FeetFix.com is moderated, so make sure that you're following the terms of service set out in the model agreement. Once you get approved, it's time to start uploading some content. The only way you can make money on FeetFix.com is by uploading content. So make sure you get a jump start on creating that content right away. You don't have to wait to be approved. You can start filming today. If you're having trouble filming your own content, all you have to do is use your favorite search engine and type in FeetFix tutorials, and that'll give you some content creation samples and ideas on how to make your content great.